Welcome to my channel, Stacey Fowler Creations. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, still welcome. Now, on a serious note, if you're really new, that means you have missed some of the videos on this playlist. Not to worry. Check out the link on the screen now. It will take you to the playlist so you can watch the other videos that you have missed. Once you follow all my steps, you'll have your child reading in the next 3 to 4 months. We are now at my seventh diagraph that I use, and that diagraph is you are. You are made the sound er. You are made the sound er. You are made the sound er. I had previously taught another diagraph that made the exact sound as this diagraph, and that is IR. You can check out the playlist being displayed now of that diagraph so that you can look on how I had used it. If you're giving your child or your students spellings, in order for them to differentiate between the IR and UR sound, you would have to say, it is not IR making the sound what other two letters can make that sound? Or you can say, it is not UR making the sound what other two letters can make that sound? And of course, whatever I teach, I like us to practice together. At all times, it is never the parent or the teacher that make the sound of the letters or diagram, always the students. So you let the child make the sound of T, then the UR diagraph sound, then the sound of the letter N. They would say earn, earn. Once a child pronounces the word correctly on his or her own, you congratulate the child and ensure that your congratulations is exciting. Wow, you're so smart. You're like the smartest child I know. Good job. Keep it up. Let's go some more. Encourage the child to continue. Let's look on another example. Book, earn, book, earn. Once a child gets the word, congratulate the child and let it be exciting. Moving on to our next example, which is the word nursed. You can check out the video that I did about the letter E being silent or when it says its name. So the child would earth. And once the child figure out the word, congratulate the child. Our last example that I'm going to look on is earth, earth. Pretty easy steps to follow. Once you follow them, you'll have your child reading in no time at all. Now it's time to go to spellings and sentence writing. I've always encouraged that you have a list of words that you will have on the flashcards, another list that are not on the flashcards, and you will use the ones that are not on the flashcards with the diagraph being taught to give the child spellings. Once the child spells those words, then you give the child short sentences, no more than 4 words. Very rare I go over the 4 words to write, and they let the child read those sentences. And you'll see their little face being lit up with joy to know that they can read what they have written. I've made your job really easy. So check the description below. You'll find a list of words that I use with the UR diagraph as well as sentences there. If you want to make your flashcards virtually, I've also have that covered for you. There's a link there that I use to make my flashcards on my students virtually. Download them to my device, show them to my students, and they sound out whatever word I'm showing. You can do the same. Next is me needing your help. I am helping you and I'm asking you kindly to help me. I'm begging you, like, please check out my fun educational fairy tale book that's located on Amazon. The link is in the description below. This book helps to teach about the alphabet, a little about pronouns and nouns, and it's done in a fun way because I only know how to put the fun in learning. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So purchase that book, rate the book when you have done so, and help me. I'm helping you. Please help me. So at this time, I'm going to say thank you for coming to my channel. If you have not subscribed as yet, what are you waiting on? Please click on that subscribe button, and while you're doing it, click on the notification bell that you may be notified when I upload new work. Please like and share my work. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. What step you have used, how your child is reacting. I am all here for you. I'll respond to you, okay? Until next time, I love you. Bye bye.